How to fix Modern Warfare 2 campaign crashing. 1. Ensure your device or computer meets the minimum or recommended system requirement. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. PC players, scan and repair your game. 3. Optimize your MW2 video settings properly or, accordingly. Hints, 3.1 for low configuration users, lower MW2 graphics settings. 3.2 Enable the high-res assets cache. 4. Clear up to about 32 GB of space. 5. For NVIDIA graphics card users only, reuse the old NVIDIA graphics driver, roll back your NVIDIA graphics driver temporarily. 5.1 Remove existing NVIDIA graphics driver via DDU, display driver uninstaller. 5.2. Get NVIDIA graphics driver V522.25 installed. 5.3. Restart your PC and relaunch MW2. 6. Contact Activision support. Last but not least, keep your MW2 up to date always.